the law. You have the right to you. Cannot afford law.
Oh, this nigga crazy for real.
They're gonna kill you all! Kill you all! In a world of pure imagination.
When police respond to reports of serious threats to a local business, they come face to face with a suspect whose behavior, that may have been shaped in part by ChatGPT, makes it nearly impossible to tell what he believes is real and what's a complete delusion.
Yeah, I am the law.
The following is based on official police records released to date. On the evening of March 7, 2025, a father and his son walk into a police station in Westlake, Ohio, to discuss a car the son had previously reported stolen, unaware that one of them is about to be arrested for something else entirely. The man in handcuffs is 20-year-old Shion Park, and the discussion about the car was all a ruse created by police to have him come to the station voluntarily.
Security perimeter. No weapons, guns, knives, sprays, anything, or electrical. Don't sit back. You sit back with me. You're entering your death.
The urgency to bring Shion to the station stemmed from a call earlier that night, when police were summoned to the Mark's grocery store where he works. According to reports, a co-worker from the store showed police text messages from Shion in which he threatened to kill everyone at the store the next day, while also calling himself Lord Shiva.
You know why you're here?
Because I want to kill you all at 12 p.m.? Oh, I don't know. What's the time? What's the time?
Hey.
11 o'clock. It's not 11 o'clock.
Hey.
You dumb.
Listen.
Oh, it's 10:57.
Shut the up. I did not ask you.
I don't give a who you asked.
Hey, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you for law. You have the right to you. Not afford law.
Oh man, I am the law, you dumb. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I am the law. Jesus. Oh, Jesus can't save you, buddy.
This is good. He should actually pursue an acting career. He would do pretty well. I will pay
As
to see
Shion
this.
continues acting in a completely unpredictable manner with the officers, his father calls his other son from the lobby, hoping he can help communicate with officers.
I live in North Homestead, so I'm not too far, but I was just wondering what happened.
Yeah, so he was arrested by us for making threats. Has he ever been diagnosed with anything or has seen like a specialist or no?
I think the only thing he's been diagnosed with like ADHD, to be honest.
That's not enough.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful is the sound.
He's not going to do anything, and he hasn't done anything like that. He said a couple of weird things to me too. I told him to stop, and he did.
But his
that's not working, my nigga. That's not working. Why don't you come down to the station, we'll swear you in, and you tell this nigga to stop and take his stupid ass on.
brother no longer seems to be the one he's listening to. According to police reports, detectives later uncovered conversations between Shion and ChatGPT discussing his plans at Mark's, where he refers to March 8th as Judgment Day. Investigators noted that during the course of the conversations, replies from the AI chatbot seemed to empower and validate Shion's opinions.
What? Ooh, I like that. Woo!
See, that's why I don't, and he's a homosexual, nothing wrong with it, but and he's a homosexual. That's why I don't use ChatGPT, I use Gemini.
Woo, that makes me all happy.
Nasty boy.
Pretty dumb for those children.
What?
Oh, you're planning to kill me? You're planning to drug me? Oh, that's so nice of you. That's so nice. They're gonna kill you all. Kill you all at 12. I'm never late.
You got an hour. Little less than an hour, about 9 minutes.
It's a little less than an hour, and you're supposed to say it's a little less because that's the last time you're ever gonna breathe.
No, I think that was. Oh, no, I'm still no. Crazy.
I thank you so much. If you shake my hand, I will free you from your agony. But I know you won't shake my hand because you would never shake someone's hand.
I shake plenty of people's hands.
Can you shake my hand?
I just ain't shaking yours.
Your life depends on it.
No, it doesn't.
Bro, do you know millions of females are gonna see this? Do you know this? This is on the internet forever. When the first girl that agrees halfway to be your girlfriend a little bit sees this, you're done, buddy. What about all the jobs? What about all the colleges? This man is what, 20 years old, and you're already cooked, bro.
I guarantee you have no bearing on my life.
2, 1. Thank you. You know, I love you. I
All you
love you
gotta
very
do
much.
is Google your name.
And you may be, you know, second chance.
Do you know what today? Tomorrow is?
Shut the up.
Do you know what tomorrow is?
Shut the up! I was not speaking to you. And you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
Please.
He's
Forgive me.
under arrest. No, we're not gonna forget this behavior. You need to go home and drink you some sake. Not trying to be racist, but you need to go home and drink you some rice wine, bro. He's not coming home today.
Please. Forgiveness. What do you have to do? What do you have to
that
do?
over here.
What do you have to do? Or what does he have to
He's
do?
probably not gonna get a bond.
Both.
Well, I told you he had to knock this off, and he didn't.
According to police records, in the days leading up to the incident, officers were called to the family's home multiple times for a series of troubling reports. Among them were messages
What?
Shion sent to former classmates, including images of himself with pentagrams and 666 drawn on his body, along with statements about taking one of their souls. There was also a claim that he had purchased a gun. At the time, officers determined he didn't pose an immediate threat and warned him to cease contact with the involved parties.
In a statement. Oh, okay. So he didn't purchase
A gun? You know what a gun is?
Yeah.
Did he buy one?
You want to buy?
Did he buy one?
He bought?
I'm asking you,
He's
did
not
he
about
buy
to
a gun?
snitch
No.
on his son?
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're not sure.
He had something going for him, like, you know, he was like doing golfing calls and all that, but all of that went really bad, and ever since then he's just been having a really difficult time accepting that it's gone really bad.
Because he doesn't know? Pays that nigga.
Sit down. There's no fear.
None.
Stop. I love it. Don't do it again. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh no, please. Please. Oh, wait, well, I need your officer. No.
You have it all.
No, your name.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Lieutenant Fox.
Oh, Lieutenant Fox. Oh, Lieutenant.
Nah, yeah. Fast forward this. I'm cool.
Shut the up, Lieutenant. Get the out of my sight, little. Can you be a good dog and give me a drink?
No, don't think so.
Why do you ask why?
It's because you just spit
Shut
on.
the up. I'm speaking.
No, I'll speak whenever the I want to. Okay?
You won't.
I will speak whenever the I choose to.
Look at me. Look at me. Tell me.
Do you think
I
you
would have just put some headphones on and just, because somebody obviously has to watch him for some reason. When he's handcuffed in them long ass, he got them 7-foot handcuffs on. I didn't even know they made those. They could have gave me some of those so I could walk around and think about my life and pace in a circle. They got this man on a whole dog collar by the arm.
intimidate me, dude?
No, I don't.
Good, because you don't.
Don't you dare look at me. That's funny, right? You will be forgiven for laughing. And you're gonna see what I can do.
Thank God. You're saved.
Spirit. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Why did you flip it upside down? Because you're gonna die. And you, especially, officer, on the computer. Yeah, with the glasses, Mr. Four Eyes. Oh, why am I? No, I need to get out. No, I need to run. Push me down, please. I need to get out of here because I need to save your guys' lives. I need to go. Can you release me? I need to run away.
Sit down.
There's Master. Wait, do you guys like Logan Paul? Jake Paul or Logan Paul? Go.
What's your social?
I don't know my social. You done
I don't even feel bad. I never felt bad, but This nigga's crazy.
How many orders have you guys been in? 4.
This nigga's free.
He just needs like therapy right now.
Although the family believes Shion is harmless, officers still have a duty to determine the credibility of his reported threats.
You keep saying March 8th at 12 o'clock. What's the significance?
There's none.
Nothing's gonna happen, guys. It's all act. Look into my eyes and lie like I lie. You're safe.
Wait, let me see. If it's 2020, okay, so 4. That's it. I got a phone. I don't got to do all this math in my head. Like I'm a mathematician. Actually, I can. So that's 1 plus 4. That's 1. The number 1 at 8 o'clock. 9. That's 6 upside down. That's the significance. He said March 8th. Oh, I did the wrong math. March 8th. That's 11. 2, 6. 2 at 8. Yeah. That's 6. That's 9 upside down.
What's your problem with people on marks? Is that what you said you want to kill them all?
Yeah, but then they'll die. Again, you're supposed to torture me today.
Is that what you marks?
My eyes and lie like I lie. You're safe.
What's your problem with people on marks?
People at marks.
Is that what you said you want to kill them all?
Yeah, but then they'll die. Again, you're supposed to torture me today. And you don't choose to torture me, I'm literally gonna kill you all. This is the last chance. If you don't shoot me right now, I'm gonna kill you all. And if you don't kill me right now, I'm gonna kill you all. 5. No, dude, this is the place where I'll be awakened, you idiots.
1. They're gonna strip your butt naked.
I need you to take it off me because I'm not gonna do it. Good boy.
As the officers get Shion dressed into his new county-appointed wardrobe, a revelation seems to wash over him.
Oh, wait, am I gonna go to prison? My children will kill you all. Let's go!
This man is
No way I'm gonna do this with you guys. Let's go! No, don't touch me, you little.
According to police reports, once in his cell, Shion continued his volatile behavior, removing his clothes, piling them in a corner, and urinating on them. He danced, screamed, sang, and shadowboxed, and at one point attempted to break the cell's surveillance camera. He also stuffed his bedsheet into the toilet, flooding the cell. Eventually, as he began to calm down, Shion requested a Bible. A search of the father's car and Shion's bedroom was completed, but no weapon was ever found. A correction officer reported the day after his arrest, Shion admitted to him that he consumed shrooms the day before and had no recollection of the previous night.
Man, that's not what shrooms do. Get the fuck out of here.
Shion was banned from all Mark's properties.
Good.
If you give me water, I'm gonna kill you.
If I give you water, you're going to kill us, but even though you requested water.
Yeah.
According to court
Let him drink the water out of the toilet since he knows how to flood toilets so fucking
records,
good.
Shion Park was
This is
charged with 2
felonies.
counts of harassment with a bodily substance, 2 of aggravated menacing, 1 count of vandalism, and 1 count of intimidation. After a psychiatric evaluation, Shion was found not guilty by reason of insanity.
What? Man, fuck that nigga.
Get the full story without the restrictions, including longer cuts, mostly uncensored
I'm not about
episode.
to pay for this. But it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the bang, you the bang, we the bang together. Insanity. How is this insane? Because he said he did some shrooms. That's all you got to do? The day before? Okay. Peace. White privilege.